Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, distinguished guests, colleagues, and other researchers. Let me introduce myself. My name is Salsabila Putri from Major Mathematics Education. It is an honor for me to present the result of my research, development of digital worksheet on polyhedron material with Van Hill stage and Desmos classroom. In this presentation, I will go to introduction, methodology, result and discussion, and conclusion. So, let's get into the detail of this research. Introduction. Teaching materials are essential in the learning process, but they remain limited to printed media, such as books and printed worksheet, which hinder effective learning, particularly in understanding polyhedron concept. Teaching materials using Van Hill theory can support students in understanding geometric concept. Van Hill's theory states there are 5 stages of geometric thinking. First stage is inquiry or information. Second stage is direct orientation. Third stage is explication. Fourth stage is free orientation. And the last stage is integration. One of the teaching materials that can be used during the learning process is the digital worksheet. One of platform that can be used to develop a digital worksheet is Desmos Classroom. Desmos Classroom can be accessed through www.desmos.com. Based on this description, researchers are interested in researching the development of a digital worksheet with Van Hill stage, focused on polyhedron material using Desmos Classroom. This research is conducted to overcome the limitation of printed teaching materials that still dominate and need to be in line with technological development. In addition, this research will test the level of validity of the digital worksheet produced. The result of this study can be innovative and engaging teaching materials and become a reference for teachers in improving the quality of geometry learning in the classroom. Methodology. This research is an R&D research using the ADDIE. ADDIE stands for Analyze, Design, Development, Implementation, and Evaluation. First stage is analysis stage. At this stage, there are 3 steps: needs analysis, student analysis, and curriculum analysis. The second stage is a design stage. There are 4 steps: determines the material and submaterial, determines the indicator and learning objective, select the media, and compiles the assessment criteria. And the last stage is development stage. There are 3 steps: product development, one-to-one evaluation, and expert validation. Result and discussion on analysis stage. First, need analysis. The researcher at MTS Negeri 1 Kota Tangerang Selatan found that learning was dominated by lecture method with teaching materials such as textbook and PowerPoint. Digital teaching materials such as digital worksheet have never been used in learning mathematics. And the second step is student analysis. Researcher found that 57.4% of 54 students struggled with learning polyhedron. The teacher added that limited printed teaching materials were a significant obstacle in helping students understand the material. And the last step is curriculum analysis. The curriculum used at MTS Negeri 1 Kota Tangerang Selatan is the curriculum 2013. The process creating digital worksheet using the curriculum 2013, focusing on core competencies and knowledge and skill and basic competencies 3.9 and 4.9. Result and discussion on design stage. First step is material and submaterial. The digital worksheet consists of 4 main materials, namely cube, cuboid, prism, and pyramids. Each digital worksheet contains one particular space building as follows. And the second step is learning indicator and learning objective. There are 13 learning indicator and learning objective. The material starts from simple to complex. begin with the introduction of the basic concept of polyhedron. Students are expected to be able to identify the element of polyhedron, calculate the surface area and volume, and analyze the combined polyhedron. The third step is media selection. Researchers using Desmos Classroom and Canva. Desmos Classroom provide interactive features that help students in solving problems. The researcher start the digital worksheet by using Canva to design the cover. After that, the researcher create the digital worksheet using Desmos Classroom, inserting the support component of the digital worksheet into the application. The last step is assessment criteria. The assessment criteria were prepared as a reference for experts who assess teaching materials. The aspect of assessment by material expert consists of didactical requirements, construction requirements, technical requirements, and conformity with the stage of the funhill. Result and discussion at development stage. First step is product development. The creation process includes creating new activities, cover design, and preparing content that includes competencies, indicator, learning objective, and learning material based on funhill stage. Here are some examples of the display of digital worksheet. The second step is one-to-one evaluation. Several comments and suggestions were obtained based on the one-to-one trial of 3 students with different abilities. Students' suggestion and comment will be used to improve the digital worksheet. Here are some student suggestions and comments. The third step is expert validation. Material expert and media expert conduct the validation assessment of digital worksheet prototype 1. 5 material experts validated digital worksheet prototype 1. The assessment was carried out based on 4 main aspects: didactical, construction, technical, and conformity with the funhill stage. The assessment result can be seen in the figure 5. Based on figure 5, digital worksheet prototype 1 has varying VICAN coefficient in each aspect. Digital worksheet is valid with the acquisition of the VICAN coefficient of 0.89. The validation test was also conducted by a media expert. The assessment result can be seen in figure 6. Based on figure 6, the media expert revealed that the digital worksheet prototype 1 developed is considered feasible to be tested at the next stage. Adjustment to the layout and size of the image are additional suggestions for optimizing their use on different devices. In conclusion, the developed digital worksheet have gone through the ADDIE development model up to the development stage. The validator provides an assessment of each aspect of digital worksheet. Based on assessment, it can be concluded that the digital worksheet with funhill stage on the material of polyhedron accessed by Desmos Classroom have met the valid criteria. Digital worksheet can be used as a learning resource by students and teachers at school. Further, research is recommended to complete the product until the evaluation stage and conduct development using different stage and material. Ladies and gentlemen, as we come to the end of this presentation, I would like to express my gratitude for your time and your attention. I hope the insight shared today have sparked ideas and inspiration for further exploration in this field. I welcome your question, feedback, and thought and to enrich this study even further. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.